So we are going to evaluate integrals by interpreting them in terms of area. Our question today is to evaluate this integral in terms of area. Integral from 0 to 1 of 1 minus x squared dx. And, oops, this is not supposed to be under the square root sign. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, this can be rewritten as y equals 1 minus x squared. By isolating for 1, we will get y squared plus x squared equals 1, and 1 can be rewritten as 1 squared. This is the formula for a circle. Now, if you look at the symbol or the sign in front of the square root, it doesn't say plus minus. It just has nothing, which indicates it's a positive. Now that means that if we had a circle from 0 to 1, because this is the radius, so radius of 1, if we had a circle from 0 to 1, it would only be from here, 0 to 1, okay? And only in the positive region. So that means that we need only this part. So basically we only need 1/4 of the area of the circle. And to reiterate, we only need that because they didn't say that it's positive and negative square root. They just had nothing, which indicates positive square root, which would mean everything on the top. That's above the x-axis. But then they said that it's only from 0 to 1. Now, the whole circle along the top would be from -1 to 1, but from 0 to 1, it would only be this one quadrant. Okay, so now we're going to take this area, and area equals pi r squared, right, of a circle. Since we're only taking that one quadrant, it's pi r squared over 4 because this is 1/4 of the circle. Now we're going to sub in r. It tells us the radius is 1. So 1 squared, which is just going to be 1, divided by 4. Now, 1 squared is just 1, so our answer will just be pi divided by 4. And that's how you do it.